Ashikaga Flower Park. Japan is known for their abundance of flowering trees, but while we mostly associate them with blooming cherry blossoms, one of their most beautiful parks is filled with another breed, wisteria. The Ashikaga Flower Park, found at Ashikaga City in the Tochigi Prefecture, is one of the best places to see the wisteria. The Japanese call wisteria Fuji, and you can find blue, white, pink, and even yellow Fuji on display at Ashikaga, creating a beautiful and almost surreal display of flowers to take in. Zhengyi Dancia Landforms. In the Zhengyi Dancia Landform Park in Gansu, China, you can find a real-life Technicolor marvel. These mountains, over thousands of years, have formed dramatically colourful strata. Chinese officials graphed this naturally occurring piece of art over 100 years ago, but it has not really become a world landmark until recently. Now, it is protected as a UNESCO heritage site, which happened in the Red Beach in Panjin, China. On China's eastern coast, there is a beach that turns bright red every fall. The Red Beach is a wetland right next to the ocean, which makes its soil extremely salty. The only plant that can survive in this salty environment is the seepweed. So for 51 square miles, seepweed is the only thing that grows. In autumn, however, the seepweed turns from a lush green to a deep, dark red. These lush wetlands are home to over 260 species of bird and another 400 species of other wildlife. The Tunnel of Love, Ukraine. In Ukraine, there is a beautiful tunnel that is reminiscent of a scene from a whimsical animated movie. This tunnel has allowed plants to overtake most of the space, creating a space where man-made structures and nature can coexist. This is the Tunnel of Love, originally just a railroad that delivered wood to a local factory, but it has become a popular spot for lovers to visit and make wishes. They say that a wish made by lovers here who stay true to each other will turn their dreams into reality. While it remains a luscious green hue most of the year, in the winter it turns into a magical scene of snow and winter fun. Nabana no Sato Light Tunnel. In Japan's Mie Prefecture, this is a flower theme park called Nabana no Sato. The decorations at the park change every season with new flowers and a new theme. In addition to the flowers, they have LED light art installments that change with the theme of the season. But their most iconic and striking installation might be the world-famous light tunnel, which stays the same every year. Walking through the tunnel emulates walking through the infinity of space. A newer installation is the Kawazu Sakura Light Tunnel, an installation that is inspired by the cherry blossom tree that is so prevalent in Japan.